desert on a horse with no name. It feels good to be out of the rain. 'Cause in the desert, they don't remember your name.
Josh, what the hell are you singing about? Jeepers, bro. What are you doing under there?
That's keeping the bugs off.
Bugs?
You know how they get when it rains?
Well, why don't you go back in the shed? There's no bugs in
fucking
there.
way. I spent 3 weeks locked up in there. I'm not going back in.
It won't get through the cracks.
How about this? How about hear me out? Tonight, stay in the house just one time in the basement. Just keep the bugs off, and in the morning I'll get the fuck out. Does that sound good?
I'll tell you what. We go inside and you beat me the game of foosball and you can have the night in.
Foosball?
Yeah, foosball.
You know I can't see very well.
That's the rule. That's it, right there.
All right, that's the deal then.
Take it or leave it.
That's the two?
No, one game.
What happened to your shirt? Did you jerk off a unicorn?
No, Mama Shar does all my laundry, so I don't know what she did with it.
Okay.
I like it though.
About that weighted blanket, can I have that too if I win?
Yes.
That makes me sleep like a rock.
Go play some foosball.
All right. Okay. Heard it. I can feel it climbing.
You know how to play foosball?
Not really, but...
You don't?
No.
Well, get the fuck down the stairs.
Okay, I'm going. What's the plan?
Okay, well hurry it up, man.
I'm so angry all the time. Okay, all right.
I gotta friggin' trim those frickin' pine cones. Get your boots off.
Jesus Christ, David! Oh my God!
Alright, now you can come in.
Oh, could have just asked. Okay, foosball.
This is it.
This is it? Okay. How do we do this? Oh, fuck! Fuck! Oh, I missed it! Oh, I can't see it!
Jesus Christ!
Fuck!
Sorry, bud.
Can I at least have the weighted blanket?
Yeah, you can have the weighted blanket. I'll give you that much.
Okay.
Okay. Now get your fucking boots on and get out of here.
Promise I can have the weighted blanket?
I'll go get it for you.
Damn it.
Hey, Josh, here's some cocoa rum.
What?
Keep the bugs away.
Cocoa rum. Keep the bugs away.
And here's your blanket.
What? Fuck! Oh my God!
Well, get out.
Oh, that's my ass!
Get
Okay,
out.
I'm going!
Go.
I'm going, jeez! Cocoa rum. Cocoa rum. See, there's a little crack still in the door there. Just work my way in. Nobody gonna know.
Hey, get the hell out.
Okay!
Get.
Sorry, I'm going! You didn't verify that it was fully closed. Don't say a fucking word. Dave cannot know about this. You didn't deadbolt it. There's no fucking way. Oh fuck. Oh God. Oh no. Oh, there's too many Wendy's JBCs. Fuck.
Hey,
Oh! Fuck! I'm going!
get.
I'm going! Okay. I'm going.
Go.
Bye.